Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Maths online class of class 3rd. Priya here. I hope you all are fit and fine. Students, I'm going to teach you Unit 7 multiplication. So pay attention here. Let's come on exercise 7a. First question is fill in to show that multiplication is repeated addition. Here first question is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Here repeated addition are given now. So add these digits. Write here 8. Now how many times it is written here? 4 times now. So write 4 into 2. 4 into 2, write here 8. Now second one is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Add these. Write here 30. Now see how many times 6 is written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in first column write 5 into 6. 5 into 6 is 3. Write here in the space given 30. Next is 8 plus 8 plus 8. Now add these digits 24. Write in the space here 24. And now see how many times it is written. 1, 2, 3. In first blank you write 3 into 8. 3 into 8 is 24. Right here in the space given 24. Like this you have to do these part also. First one I am telling you here. First multiplication is given. Then you have to do addition. 4 into 5. The answer is 20. Write in the space 20. Now you see how many times 5 is written. 4 times now. So write here 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Now add these digits. You will get the same answer. Here you write 20. These two do yourself in your books. Now fill in. 4 into 5 equals to 5 into, right here 4. Next one 8 into 6 equals to 6 into 8. In third part 9 into 8 equals to dash into 9. Right here 8. 8 into 9. Because when you multiply these, the answer will be same. 9 8 is 72 equals to 8 9 is 72. Now D part 7 into 10 equals to blank into 7 is given. Right here 10 in the space given. Multiply these two. 70 equals to 70. Next is 8 into space equals to 8. Right here 1 in the space given. 8 ones are 8. 25 into space equal to 25. Beta, for this you have to divide. 25 divide 25, you will get the answer. 25 ones are 25. Space into 9 equal to 9. 9 divided by 9, you will get the answer. 9 ones are 9. Now this one is space into 12 equals to 12. Here also you do same. 12 divided by 12. You will get the answer here 1. 12 ones are 12. Now this part, when you multiply any number with 0, you will get 0 only. Okay. 6 into 0 equals to 0. Space into 8 equal to 0. Here what will be? In the space 0. 0 into 8 equals to 0. Because when you multiply 0 into 8, you will get 0. 15 into 0 equals to 0. 0 into 100 equals to 0. Now third one, multiply. Better for this you have to learn the tables. To do multiplication you have to learn the tables. So before doing this exercise you learn all the tables. 2 into 8 equals to 16. 2 8 is 16 now, right here 16. Now 3 into 7, 3 7s are 21. In the space given you write 21. 4 8s are 32. Write in the space given 32. 5 into 9 means 5 9s are 45. The answer is 45. Now 8 2s are 16. Write in the space 16. 7 into 3, 21. Right here 21. 8 into 4, 32. Right here 32. 9 into 5, 45. Right here 45. Like this you do all these parts in your books itself. No need to write in copies. You can do multiply like this. In a vertical form, 6 into 3, 3 6 are 18. Right here 18. Now 4 multiply 7. So multiply 7 into 4. Right here 28. 4 5 into 8. 8 5s are right here 40 in the space given. Here 8 into 3. 3 8s are right here 24. Here the answer is 24, not 21. Okay students. Now 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are 81. Right here in the space given 81. Now fill in 2 into space equal to 12. How you will get the answer? You have to do one thing. 12 divided by 2. You will get the answer. जब आप 12 को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आपको आंसर मिलेगा 2 6 12. राइट हियर 6 इन द स्पेस गिवन. नाउ स्पेस इंटू 3 इक्वल्स टू 24. अब आपको इसमें 24 को 3 से डिवाइड करो. ये देखिए आप कि 3 के टेबल में 24 कहाँ आता है. 3 8 जा 24. द आंसर इज हेयर 8. राइट इन द स्पेस 8. नाउ 6 इंटू डैश इक्वल्स टू 30. 6 5s are 30. Space into 7 equals to 56. Now divide 56 by 7. You will get the answer here 8. Like this you do part in your books. Do in books only. Students, this page you do in your books only. Now come to page number 62, exercise 7b. Do these sums in your books only here. Question number 1, A part. The question is 12 multiply 4. What will you do? First you multiply one side. 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. Right here 8. Now you multiply 10 side. 4 1s are 4. Right here 4. The answer is 48. Now B part, 13 multiply 3. तो सबसे पहले आप 3 से 3 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. फर्स्ट ये वाली साइड मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 3 3 ज़ा 9. अब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3 को 1 से. 3 1 ज़ा 3. राइट हियर 3. द आंसर इज 39. नाउ सी पार्ट, 14 मल्टीप्लाई 2. तो सबसे पहले आप 2 की 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. राइट हियर 8. नाउ 2 1 ज़ा 2. हियर यू राइट 2. द आंसर इज 28. नाउ डी पार्ट, 11 मल्टीप्लाई 6. तो सबसे पहले आपको यहीं मल्टीप्लाई करना है वन साइड. 6 1 ज़ा 6. राइट हियर 6. नाउ 10. 6 1 ज़ा 6. राइट हियर 6. द आंसर इज 66. E part, 21 multiply 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. The answer is 84. Do these questions yourself in your books only. Now question 2A part. 12 multiply 5. तो सबसे पहले 5 की 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 5 2 जा 10. Right here 0 and 1 carry you take on 10 side. 5 1 जा 5 plus 1. Right here 6. The answer is 60. Now B part. 14 multiply 6. तो इसके लिए भी 6 की 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे पहले. 6 4 जा 24. Right here 4 and take 2 carry on tens. Place 6 1 is 6 plus 2. Right here 8. The answer is 84. C part. 15 multiply 3. तो 3 की 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करिए. 3 5 is 15. Right here 5 1 carry on tens place. 3 1 is 3 1 plus 1. Right here 4. The answer is 45. D part. 13 multiply 7. 7 की मल्टीप्लाई 3 से करिए. 3 7 जा 7 3 is 21. 1 you write here. Take carry on 10 side. 7 1 is 7 plus 2. Right here 9. The answer is 91. Now E part. 19 multiply 4. 4 9 is 36. Right here 6 and 3 carry. 4 1 is 4. And right here 7. Not 9. Right here 7. Here you write 7. The answer is 76. Now come to question number 3A part. 64 multiply 2. 2 की 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करिए. 2 4 जा 8. 2 6 जा 12. The answer is 128. 128. B part. 58 multiply 2. 2 की मल्टीप्लाई 8 से करना है आपको इसमें. 2 8 is 16. Right here 6. Take 1 carry on tens place. 2 5 is 10. 10 plus 1. Right here 11. Answer is 116. C part. 35 into 3. 3 की मल्टीप्लाई 5 से करिए. 3 5 is 15. Right here 5. 1 carry. 3 3 is 9 plus 1 10. The answer is 105. Now D part. 46 into 4. 4 की मल्टीप्लाई 6 से करेंगे. 4 6 is 24. Right here 4 and take 2 carry on tens place. 4 into 4 16. 16 2 ja 18. Sorry, 4 4 ja 16 and 16 plus 2. Right here 18. Here the answer is 184. E part. 53 multiply 5. तो 5 की पहले 3 से करेंगे. 5 3 जा 15. Right here 5. 1 carry. 5 1 5 5 is 25 plus 1 25. Right here 265. These you do in your books. And question number 4 you do in your copies yourself. It is your homework. Students, do these part in your copies neatly. Now comes to exercise 7C. First question is, a chessboard has 8 rows of 8 squares each. How many squares does it have in all? What will you do here? 8 multiply 8. 8 8 ja 64. Right here 64 squares. Now question 2. A toy needs 3 batteries. How many batteries are needed for 6 of these toys? Here you have to multiply 3 into 6. 6 3s are 18. Right here like this. 18 batteries. Now third one. Teams from 9 schools took part in a quiz contest. Each team had 4 members. How many children took part in the contest? So multiply 9 into 4. 4 9 ja 36. Right here 36. 36 children took part in the contest. Question 4. A CD box holds 12 CDs. How many CDs will 8 such boxes have? So multiply 12 by 8. So 8 into 2, 16. Right here 6. Take 1 carry on tens place. 8 ones are 8 plus 1, 9. The answer is 96 CDs. Now these questions you can do in your books itself. Adil has a piece of squared paper and the piece has 11 rows and 9 columns of squares. How many squares does it have in all? What will you do? You have to multiply 11 rows by 9 columns. 11 into 9, right here 11 nines are 99, right here 99 squares. Now B part, a paint box has 16 tubes of paints and how many tubes will 5 such boxes have? Multiply 16 by 5. The 16 multiply 5. 16 fives are 80. 80 tubes. Right here 80 tubes. The answer is 80 tubes. Now C part, a day has 24 hours and how many hours does a week have? And you know very well in a week 7 days are there. So what will you do? 24 multiply 7. तो पहले आप 7 की 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 28, राइट 8, टेक 2 कैरी. 7 2 जा 14, 14 plus 2, right here 16. The answer is 168 hours. Now D part, Pia's school was closed for 45 days for summer holidays and every day she did 6 sums. How many sums did she do during the holidays? तो आपको इसमें क्या करना है? 45 की मल्टीप्लाई 6 से करनी है. द आंसर इज 270 सम्स. नाउ ई पार्ट, द कैलेंडर फॉर अ मंथ हैज़ 4 रोज, ईच रो हैज़ 7 डेज. विच मंथ्स कैलेंडर इज इट? तो आपको 4 की मल्टीप्लाई 7 से करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा 28 एंड 28 डेज किस मंथ में होते हैं? फेब्रुअरी में. राइट हियर फेब्रुअरी. The answer is February. Students, do this work in your books only. Question 5 you do in your copies. This one you can do in your copies. Here you will learn 2-digit number multiply by 2-digit number. So here first example, you see 28 multiply 23. So what will you do? In first step you have to multiply 28 by 3 in first step. In second step multiply 23 by 20. Now add the two products together. You will get 644. You have to follow this step. 28 की मल्टीप्लाई पहले 3 से करेंगे and you have to put cross here. यहाँ पर आपको क्रॉस लगाना है 4 के नीचे. फिर आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है 28 को 2 से. तो फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई 28 by 3. 3 8 is 24, right here 4 and take carry on tens place. 3 2 is 6 plus 2, right here 8. Here you have to write 84. Now put cross under 4. आपको ये स्पेस खाली छोड़ना है यहाँ पर. 2 8 is 16. Right here 6, take 1, carry on tens place. 2 2 is 4 plus 1, right here 5. Now add these two columns. 4 plus 0, right here 4. Now add the tens. 8 plus 6, right here 4 and take 1 carry. 8 plus 6 14 na, right here 4 and take 1 carry on hundreds place. 5 plus 1, right here 6. The answer is 644. Students, only follow this pattern. Question number 1, A part, 12 multiply 11. So what will you do? First you have to multiply 12 by 1. 1 2 is 2, 1 1 is 1. Now put cross sign under 2. 1 2 is 2, 1 1 is 1. Now add these two. Here the answer will be 132. Now B part, 14 multiply 13. तो सबसे पहले आप क्या करेंगे, 14 की 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 3 4s are 12, right here 2, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3, plus 1 4. Here will be 42. Now multiply 14 by 1, put cross under 2, 1 4s are 4, 1 1s are 1. Now add these two numbers, 182. Students, like this you do all parts in your books only. This part don't do. Only question number 1, A to J, do in your books. Now come to exercise 7E, page number 67. Let's start with an example. 24 multiply 30. So in first step you have to multiply 24 by 0. You will get 0 right on the right side is 0 here. Now multiply 24 into 3. 3 4s are 12, right here 2. Take 1 carry on tens place. 3 2s are 6, plus 1 7. Right here 7. The answer is 720. Like this you have to do all parts. Now question number 1, A part, 84 multiply 10. तो इसके लिए आप क्या करेंगे बेटा, 84 की मल्टीप्लाई पहले 0 से करेंगे. यू विल गेट 0, राइट हियर 0. And now 84 multiply 1, 84 1s are 84, right here 84. The answer is 840. B part, 62 multiply 10. In first step you have to multiply 62 by 0. Here will be 0, in right side you write 0. Now multiply 62 1s are. Here you write 62. The answer is 620. Like this you do all parts in your books. Now question 2, A part, 7 multiply 100. First you have to multiply 7 zeros are 0, right here 0. Now again in second step 7 zeros is 0, right here 0. And in third step 7 1s are 7, right here 7. The answer is 700. Now in B part, 25 multiply 100. 25 की पहले 0 से multiply करेंगे, right here 0. Now again in second step 25 multiply 0, right here 0. Now in third step multiply 25 1s are 25, right here 25. The answer is 2500. Like this you do all parts in your books. You can note down from here. Now question 3, A part, 2 into 1000. In first step 2 zeros is 0, right here. In second step 2 zeros is 0, right here. In third step 2 zeros is 0, right here. Now 2 1s are 2, right here. The answer is 2000. 4 की 1000 से multiply करेंगे, you will get 4000. 4 1s are 4. 3 0 you have to put. 6 into 1000, 6 1s are 6. And write 3 zeros. The answer is 6000. 9 into 1000, 9000s are 1000 9s are 9000. 3 into 2000, 2000 की 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा 6000. Like this you do all parts nicely and in your books itself. Here you will learn 2-digit number multiply by 2-digit number. So here first example, you see 28 multiply 23. So what will you do in first step? You have to multiply 28 by 3 in first step. In second step, multiply 23 by 20. Now add the two products together. You will get 644. You have to follow this step. 28 की मल्टीप्लाई पहले 3 से करेंगे and you have to put cross here. यहाँ पर आपको क्रॉस लगाना है 4 के नीचे. फिर आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है 28 को 2 से. तो फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई 28 by 3. 3 8 is 24. Write here 4 and take carry. On tens place, 3 2s are 6 plus 2. Write here 8. Here you have to write 84. Now put cross under 4. आपको ये स्पेस खाली छोड़ना है यहाँ पर. 2 8 जा 16. Write here 6. Take 1. Carry on tens place. 2 2 जा 4 plus 1. Write here 5. Now add these two columns. 4 plus 0. Write here 4. Now add the tens. 8 plus 6. Write here 4 and take 1 carry. 8 plus 6 14 na. Write here 4 and take 1 carry on hundreds place. 5 plus 1. Write here 6. The answer is 644. Students, only follow this pattern. Question number 1a part, 12 multiply 11. So what will you do? First you have to multiply 12 by 1. 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. Now put cross sign under 2. 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. Now add these two. Here the answer will be 132. Now B part, 14 multiply 13. तो सबसे पहले आप क्या करेंगे? 14 की 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 3 4s are 12. Write here 2, 1 carry. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. Here will be 42. Now multiply 14 by 1. Put cross under 2. 1 4s are 4, 1 1s are 1. Now add these two numbers, 182. Students, like this you do all parts in your books only. This part don't do. Only question number 1 A to J do in your books. Now come to page number 71, exercise 7H. Question is 47 children sent 20 New Year's cards each. 47 children sent 20 New Year cards each. How many cards did they send in all? आपको इसमें 47 की मल्टीप्लाई 20 से करनी है. तो सबसे पहले आप 47 की 0 से करेंगे मल्टीप्लाई और स्टार्ट करेंगे राइट साइड से ही. 0 7 ज़ा 0, 0 4 ज़ा 0. अब क्रॉस साइन लगाएंगे 0 के नीचे और फिर सेकेंड स्टेप में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 47 की 2 से. तो 2 7 ज़ा 14. राइट हियर 4, 1 कैरी. 2 4 ज़ा 8 plus 1 9. Right here 9. Now add these two. 0 4 9. Here will be 940 cards. Now question number 2. If a packet has 52 balloons, how many balloons will 24 such packet have? तो आप इसके लिए 52 की मल्टीप्लाई 24 से करेंगे. तो आपको क्या करना है? 52 की पहले 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करनी है फर्स्ट स्टेप में. फिर 8 के नीचे आपको क्रॉस साइन लगाना है और उसके बाद 52 की मल्टीप्लाई आपको 2 से करनी है। तो क्या करेंगे आप, सबसे पहले 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। 4 2 ज़ा 8, 4 5 ज़ा 20, पुट क्रॉस साइन अंडर 8, 2 2 ज़ा 4, 2 5 ज़ा 10. Now add these, you will get the answer 1248. Now question 3, a box has a dozen eggs, means 12 eggs. एक डजन में 12 होते हैं ना, तो 12 eggs हैं एक बॉक्स में. एंड हाउ मैनी eggs do 35 such boxes have? तो 35 बॉक्सेस में कितने eggs होंगे, इन दोनों की मल्टीप्लाई करिए. 35 इंटू 12. तो सबसे पहले 35 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 70. अब 0 के नीचे क्रॉस साइन लगाओ. 35 multiply 1, here will be 35. Now add these numbers, 0, 12, write 2 here, 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4. The answer is 420 eggs. Now fourth one is, a man buys 36 bananas for his monkeys every day, and how many bananas does he buy in a month, means 30 days. एक मंथ में 30 डेज होते हैं, तो आपको 36 की मल्टीप्लाई 30 से करनी है. आपको 36 की मल्टीप्लाई 30 से करनी है. तो सबसे पहले 36 को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करो फर्स्ट स्टेप में. 0 6 ज़ा 0, 0 3 ज़ा 0. अब 0 के नीचे क्रॉस साइन लगाओ. अब मल्टीप्लाई करो 36 की 3 से. 3 6 ज़ा 18, राइट हियर 8, 1 कैरी, 3 3 ज़ा 9 प्लस 1, राइट हियर 10. Now add these numbers, 0 8 0 1. The answer is 1080 bananas. Students, I have reduced exercise 7D and some questions from other exercises. Okay, तो जो भी क्वेश्चंस मैंने इसमें कराए हैं उसको आप ध्यान से करेंगे, और जो नहीं कराया तो उसके लिए टेंशन नहीं लेंगे, वो मैंने रिड्यूस कर दिया है. जैसे इसमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 भी मैंने रिड्यूस किया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, only these 4 questions you will do, and in other exercises also I have reduced some questions. तो जितना मैंने कराया है उतना आप तैयार करेंगे एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए. ओके, थैंक यू एवरीवन. कीप लर्निंग एंड स्टे सेफ एट होम.